Assalamu alaikum. How are you, student? I hope you all are fine and enjoying a lot. Today we will learn about class 6 drawing. In class 6 drawing, we will learn object drawing. Okay, you all listen to me carefully. You have keep practice copy You have keep practice copy along with you with complete stationery and take the screenshot of every slide which we will be shared over here. Okay, draw all diagram step by step, and students, before starting the object drawing, you will make a title page in your drawing copy, and then you will start your work. Before starting, I will share some tips which is related to the object drawing. Okay, note down these all the tips which are very important for the object drawing. Use light and soft pencil. This is very important. Do not use hard pencil, and light pencil you will use by the help of light hand. Okay. Second tip is sketch of drawing easy should be proper. When you will draw any diagram, is sketch should be like a real diagram. All three steps should be equal. When you will draw the three steps, these three steps are equal in size. Okay. Every step should be drawn different. It more better you will use half page of one step and half page of second step, and then you move next page. Extra line in third step should be removed. When you draw the third step, you will remove extra line. Okay. I Only third step should be colored. On the last step, you will only color the last step. Okay. So today we will draw a object drawing. In object drawing, we will draw three-step diagram, and then draw object by using geometrical shape. We use three geometrical shape: oval shape, and a rectangle and square. Okay, and one more diagram we will draw here, choice diagram. Okay, this is very important. We draw three steps diagram and one choice diagram, and these three-step diagram we will draw step by step. So our first drawing is book. Okay, this is our first diagram, and this diagram we will draw step by step. And in first step, we draw a square of 6 centimeter size, or draw 6 centimeter size square. Okay, like this you will see the diagram. We will draw a square 6 centimeter. The size of this square is 6 centimeter, and then we convert this square into the cuboid. Okay, draw this cuboid into the center of the page. Okay, the center of the page we will draw this square, and we during the square formation we use the ruler. Use sharp and pointed pencil for the drawing. This is more important. You use sharp and pointed pencil. This is the step number one. I will again repeat how we draw a first step. We draw a first step by a square, making of a square 6 by 6. The square size is 6 by 6. The width and the length of the square is 6 centimeter, and then after that we will convert it into the cuboid. Okay, now move towards the second step. During the drawing of second step, in first you draw the first step in first. We draw the first step, convert square into the cuboid shape, and width is 2 centimeter. The width of this centimeter is, this is 2 centimeter. Okay, it is convert into the cuboid. The distance between the square and another square is 2 centimeter. Give little curve to the width. We will draw a 3 or 4 little. This is a little curve 1 and 2 and 3 for the proper shape of the book. Give little curve to give the proper shape. Make sure your drawing is clean and tidy. All the lines are clean and tidy. This is the step number 2. Okay, how we draw the step number 2? In first you draw the first step, 6 by 6 square, like this. This is the 6 by 6 square, and then this square is convert into the cuboid, the distance of 2 centimeter, and then we make a curved line, and then we make a curved line, give a curve to the width to give the proper shape of book. Make sure your drawing is clean and tight. Okay, I hope you understand the step number 2. Now we will move step number 3. In the step number 3, by the help of small lines, draw a pages. Like this, we draw a small line lower side of the book, and uh, these lines are show the pages of the book. Okay, this is the third step. During the third step, we draw in first step, and then we will move towards the second step, and then we finalize the diagram of the third step. Draw accessories of the book to give its proper shape and beautiful image. How we beautiful the diagram, we will make other accessories on the book and draw a proper structure. Okay, color the book clearly and neatly. Only color the third step. Do not color the first and second step. I will repeat the third step. In third step, we will draw the first step. Okay, first step we draw a square, and then this square is convert into the cuboid like this, and then we make a square lines, and after that we shade it, and then we show the lines by the help of ruler. These lines show the pages of the book. After that we will uh, put the other accessories of the book for the beautifully for finding the beautiful diagram. Draw a box around your drawing. After completion of the diagram, you will draw a box and write the name. Now I will show a book. This is the diagram which you have completed. Now the second one is a book. This is the book, and you will easily compare both of the diagram and easily understand how we draw the books. Okay, I hope you understand all the steps. These 3 steps you will draw separately. When you will complete the diagram, then you color the third step diagram with neatness. Okay, I hope you understand all the things which are very important for the object drawing. Now we will move an other diagram. Okay, we will move the second diagram. Our second diagram is a suitcase. Okay, our second diagram is a suitcase. The first step, in first we draw the first step for the drawing suitcase. We need to draw a rectangle. Okay, in first we draw the rectangle like this. Okay, this is the rectangle, and in first we draw a rectangle, and then draw this rectangle in the center of the page with the measurement of 4 by 6. Okay, the size of the suitcase is the length is a 6 and the width is a 4 centimeter shown in the picture, which is shown in the picture. Okay, now use sharp pointed and light pencil. This is very important. Do not use dark pencil. Use sharp light pencil. I hope you understand the first step. In first you draw the suitcase. We need to draw a rectangle. This is rectangle, and then draw this rectangle into the center of the page like previous diagram with the measurement of 4 by 6 centimeter as shown in the picture. Use sharp, pointed and light pencil, because the light, when you use the light pencil you will easily erase any line. Okay, now we will move in the second step. The second step, change this rectangle into the cuboid with the width of 2 centimeters. Okay, we will convert this rectangle. This is the first step, and then we convert this rectangle into the cuboid. This is the cuboid structure. Okay, we will draw a line like this and this. We will complete convert into rectangle into the cuboid. The distance of this cuboid is 2 centimeter. These two lines, the distance is 2 centimeter. Okay, now the next step is draw the suitcase lock. These are the lock of the suitcase by using a small square at the top of cuboid. Okay, this is the top of the cuboid. We draw a lock, and then draw a line between the cuboid to give it proper shape. We will draw a line like this. These lines are very important for showing the proper shape. These are the lines which show the proper shape of the suitcase. Draw line between the cuboid to give it proper shape. Draw these lines by using ruler. All these lines you will use by the help of ruler. Okay, now okay, I will again explain how we uh, draw a second step. In second step, you draw a rectangle like first step. This rectangle into cube, convert into the cuboid. Width of the cuboid, the distance is 2 centimeter. The distance of this cuboid is 2 centimeter. Draw a line between the cuboid to give the proper shape. Okay, we draw a different types of line to the proper shape of the box. Okay, draw these lines using ruler. Okay, and also draw a, now we will move towards the third step. The third, in first you draw the first step, then you will move towards the all steps of the second step, then you draw a third step. In third and last step, give little blunt shape at the top two corner. Draw accessories of if you need to give it perfection, and color it beautifully with color pencil. Draw a box around this suitcase. Okay, Third step, last step, give little blunt. These corners you will blunt by a perfect shape. To show the perfect shape, draw accessories, different type of accessories you will draw on the suitcase. Color it beautifully with color pencil. Draw a box around this suitcase. Okay, I hope you understand these three steps. Now observe two types of suitcase and you will observe it how we draw it. This is a rectangle and it is converted into the cuboid like this, and their locks and handle. Okay, I think you observe both of the suitcase. Okay, now our third diagram is human external air. In second word we can say pin out the external air. Okay, this is the first step. In first step, draw a inverted pear-shaped curve in the center of the page as shown in the picture. Observe the diagram. This is the pear shape, but this pear shape is inverted. Okay, this pear shape is inverted, and then use sharp pointed pencil for the drawing of correct diagram. Okay, now in first step, apply little pressure on the pencil during the drawing. Okay, I repeat the first step. The third diagram in our object drawing is human external ear. In first step, draw inverted pear-shaped curve in the center of the page as shown in the figure. This is the pear shape and you draw in the inverted. And then use sharp, pointed and light pencil for the drawing. In first step, apply a little pressure on the pencil during the drawing. This is the first step, and then we will move towards the second step. In second step, we will draw another curve inside the first one as shown. This is the first one curve. This is the first one curve structure, and then we draw another curve inside the first curve. Then also draw a small curve line inside. This is the small curve line inside the air. Okay, and then as it is freehand drawing, so it need your concentration while you are drawing. Okay, you will observe the diagram and you will concentrate the diagram and draw the different lines which show the actual picture of the diagram. Okay, I will repeat how we draw the second step. In first we draw the first step, then draw another curve inside the first one as shown. Another we draw a next curve. Also draw a small curve line inside as shown. As it is freehand drawing, so it need to your concentration while you are drawing. Okay, now we will move third step. In the third step, we will draw our first step, then second step. All the lines are included into the second step. In the third step and final step, draw another line curve. This is the another line curve with loops. These are the loops on the opposite side of the former curve. These loops are the opposite side of the previous curve. Now finalize your picture with the light pencil color. Okay, finalize the picture, the light pencil color, and different lines show the actual picture of the uh, ear. Draw a box around the picture. Okay, I hope you understand these three steps of the human external ear. Now observe and compare the two diagrams. This is the actual picture of the human. First we draw this line, and then another curves, and then loops, and finally we draw a third step, and then we color it and draw a box. Now the last one is our choice diagram. Our choice diagram is a lamp. Lamp you will draw at your own choice, but I will give you the different steps how we draw a lamp. In first, I will uh, explain you how we draw a lamp. For lamp shade, draw two tilted line. These lines should be a perfect reflection of each other. Draw a straight line for lamp top and curved line for lower part of the shade. For lamp tube, draw a two vertical parallel line from lamp tube to diverging line for the lamp base. Finish the bottom of the stand with curved line. Draw accessories to complete the lamp and the color it beautifully. You can draw it by your own choice. Now see the diagram, how we draw it. We draw it by the help of different steps. These steps are these steps are Step number one is draw two tilt line. These should be perfect reflection of each other. These are the two tilt line. One and two. These are the two tilt line. This should be perfect reflection of it. And then you draw a straight line for the top. Straight line for the top and curved line for the lower side. This is the curved line. This is the special and proper shape of the lamp. Draw lamp tube two parallel line from lamp tube to diverging line for the lamp base. Draw a tube line and diverging line. Finish the bottom to stand with the curved line. Draw accessories to complete the lamp and color beautifully. You can draw it by your own choice. I will uh, show two different shapes of the lamp. You will observe these two lamps, and after observing you will draw easily, and you will change your shape of the lamp at your own choice. You will observe your home and outside of the home. You will observe the different shapes of the lamp, and you will draw easily at your own choice. I will repeat again what are the important steps for uh, drawing lamp. For lamp shade, draw two tilted lines. These lines should be a perfect reflection of each other. Draw a straight line for lamp top and curved line for lower part of shade. For lamp tube, draw two vertical parallel line from lamp tube to diverging line for lamp base. Finish the bottom of the stand with curved line. Draw accessories to complete the lamp and color it beautifully. You can draw it by your own choice. Okay. Now we will move again all the picture how we draw the different steps. Now Our first diagram is a book. We will observe the book how we draw it. We draw it book by step. We will observe this. Draw a square with 6 by 6, and then in the second step you will convert this square into the cuboid like this, and make a curve to give the proper shape of the book. Observe this book and then compare two books which show that how we draw beautifully. Okay. Now next one is we make a rectangle, and this rectangle is converted into the cuboid, and then after that we will complete their accessories which can beautiful the diagram. Observe the suitcase again. Now we will do the external air, human air. First we draw a inverted pear shape curve, and then we draw the different lines which enhance the proper shape of the air. And then observe the two different types of air. This is the original, and this is diagram compare A. And then last one is lamp. This is choice diagram you will draw at home, but I will explain the different steps how we draw it. We draw lamp or lamp shade. Draw two tilt line. These lines should be a perfect refraction of each other. Draw a straight line for lamp top and curved line for the lower part of shade for lamp top. Draw a two vertical parallel line from the lamp to two diverging line for the lamp base. Finish the bottom of stand with the curved line. Draw accessory to complete the lamp and color it beautifully. You can draw it by your own choice. Observe these two diagrams. You will draw easily. Okay. Now this is your home task. Draw a book in 3 steps and color it beautifully in your drawing copy. Draw suitcase in the 3 steps and color it beautifully in your drawing copy. Draw and color the external structure of human ear in 3 steps in your drawing copy. Draw a lamp by your own choice and color it beautifully. Okay. I will again repeat your home task. Draw a book in 3 steps and color it beautifully in your drawing copy. Draw a suitcase in the 3 steps and color it beautifully in your drawing copy. Draw and color the external structure of human ear in 3 steps in your drawing copy. Draw a lamp by your choice and color it beautifully. Allah Hafiz.